Registered the 8th of May 2019 on a 19 plate and with only 1,889 miles, with its R1-inspired bodywork, upside-down suspension, 13 inches wheels and front and rear disc brakes. The Aerox 50 is a sharp-handling, stylish scooter. These are extremely popular, and this won't be here for long. Mom and Dad's taxi service could be a thing of the past with this little treasure, or it may be lucky enough to sit on the back of the motorhome and travel the world, as it only weighs 97 kilograms. It is hard to come across an example with as little mileage as this. Although there are few marks from road use, the scooter is mechanically sound. This dependable learner legal scooter will leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive PDI and 3 months warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.